What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to position your Pixel Hybrid Bar. So if we take a look at the light here, you'll see these feet on each side so that we can angle the light into different positions, whether we have it mounted onto our truss or if we're placing it on the floor for wall washing. So if you're looking to adjust the angle for your light, you're going to go to each foot of your light and look for these knobs here on each side. You're going to want to loosen them up, and then from here you'll be able to adjust the position of the foot. And once you have the angle set, you can tighten the knobs back up to lock it in place. So we have a few different ways we can set up our light on the floor. Like I mentioned, we can use it for wall washing, and there's a couple of ways we can do that. So we can place it up straight, just like this, and have the light placed completely flush against the wall. And another method we could use for wall washing is to place it a few inches away from the wall, and then we can use the feet on the bottom of the light to angle it so that the light hits the wall the way we want it to. And you can also use these same methods to light up your DJ facade. Like I mentioned, we can also mount our light onto a truss, and to do that we're gonna need two lighting clamps like these here, which are our very own LC70 clamps. So to set these up to our light, we're gonna start by removing the wing nut here. Once that's off, we can unscrew the bolt here on the bottom. Next, we can line up the hole here on our lighting clamp to these holes here on each foot, just like this. Then we're gonna take the bolt again and run it through both of these holes. Then we can tighten the bolt so that it comes through both of these holes. And now our clamp is screwed onto the foot, but we can take our wing nut here and screw it back onto the bolt for extra security. Then we're gonna follow the same exact steps to set up our second clamp to the second foot. Now that our clamps are attached to the light, we can now mount it to our truss. And to do that, we're gonna loosen these butterfly screws here on each clamp so that there's enough room for the clamp to fit onto our truss. And now from here, we can take our light and line the clamps up to an open spot on our truss. And once it's all lined up, we're gonna tighten these butterfly screws to secure the light onto the truss. Don't forget, we can still angle our light even after it's mounted by using the knobs on each side of the foot. From there, we can angle the light however we want and then tighten these knobs once we have it angled. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to position your Pixel Hybrid Bar. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.